Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your LG Gram laptop is stuck frozen. First of all, let's check what caused the freezing issue. Maybe it's some sort of application that became unresponsive on your computer. For example, let's pretend that this application caused your device to freeze. In such case, you're gonna have to use the combination of 3 keys on your laptop's keyboard: the Ctrl, Alt and Delete. Press these 3 buttons, and if you see this screen, select Task Manager, and once Task Manager opens, you have to right-click the application that became unresponsive and select End Task. And once you end the task, your PC should start working normally. If it didn't happen, then you can still force restart your laptop by holding down the power button of your laptop for about 15 seconds, basically until you see the Gram logo or LG Gram logo on your screen again. And if your laptop didn't just restart this way, basically you couldn't turn it off this way, then unplug the charging cable from your device and just let it discharge itself. Then plug the charging cable back into your PC and power it on by short pressing the power button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below.